the detail. Okay, so I believe that's solarizing. But okay. And I forgot to tell you guys, my brand is on the back. Q Squish. Q Squish. Okay, next one. The next one is this pillow squishy. Here's the detailing. It's green, blue, and purple. And the purple, blue, and green. The blues are probably a little different. And it's like a pink detailing right here. And there's like a little orange, red, orangish, reddish color detailing right here. Right there. Okay. Next one! Oh, I forgot. The brand is on the back also. Q Squish. Next one! The next one is this Dorito bag squishy. It says Doritos. This is the detailing, all red Doritos. The brand is on the back. Q Squish. Next one! This one is like a little cookie squishy. I just made this one. The detailing. And the brand is on the back also. Q Squish. So far we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squishies. Just make 5. We're gonna have 5 more. So let's go to the next one. This one, I really don't have a name for this one. So make sure you guys comment in the comment section a name. And this one is the one that I taught you guys how to make it. That video is uploading, but as soon as it's finished uploading, I'm going to upload this video. Isn't that cool? I did 2 videos in one day. I really don't have a name for this one, but it's really pretty. That brand is on the back. Q Squish. This is the Seek Squishy. Next one. This one is a eraser squishy. This is the front and this is the back. Okay, here's the detailing for the back. I mean, this is the front. I'm just going ahead and squish this. Squish it. Well, not that polarizing, but I tried to make it like fade because you guys know how erasers are. Like when you like erase it, they're like something, the words like try to fade away. So that's why I tried to make it with the brand. It's trying to be a little cute. It's supposed to be Q Squish, but try to make it fade away. This is the 7th one. Next one. This is the 8th one. Is this little cat squishy. Cat face squishy. The brand is on the back. Q Squish. This is the 8th one. Next one. This is the 9th one. And this one is just like a red eraser. And I really did not try to make the words fade away, but Yeah. Maybe not that squishy. But I still like it. This is the ninth one. Lucky number 10. Let's go to the next one. Next one! Which is the last one. So the last one is this little squishy right here. I do not have a name for this. This one is really special to me because this one was my first squishy that I had ever made. So then this is why I started making more squishies. More. And I want you guys to know I am going to be doing more. So this is called a updated squishy collection. And I'm just playing with tape. But yeah. So comment below which one was your guys' favorite squishies. I only have one circle one because circles are hard. That's why I did like most squares. My favorite squishy has to be this one. This is my favorite squishy. Comment down below what's your guys' favorite squishy. And it's time for the outro. I gotta put some tape on my mouth so you guys can hear it. Outro. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do it in the wicked social right over there. Whew, I'm scared. 1, 2, oh, okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Ow! That was hard. Love you guys. Bye. Peace out. Kings and queens. Royal out.